We'll guide you through how to view saved passwords on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome. So you may have noticed that when you go and sign in on websites or within web apps, you go and get a pop-up and it goes and says, do you want to go and save your email, login, username, and your password? We're going to guide you through how you can then go and find it if you've chosen to go on and save it. It's actually going to be a list of the different sites you've done this with. You can go and click on those sites and you can go and see the username and password you went and saved. So we're going to go and guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything to know everything you need to know. So this is still going to be secure as well, don't worry. So what you need to do is come into Chrome as we currently are. And what you need to do is go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find the three dots, which you need to go and click on like so. You then go and get a drop down list of options and you want to go and find the option for passwords and autofill. Hover your cursor over it and come over to the left and you should then go and see the option for Google Password Manager and you want to go and click there. Now you're going to go and see a list of the different websites here, and within these websites we can go and see the different logins. As personally, sometimes I've got multiple accounts on one website, so you can go and scroll down and go and find what you want to do this with. Let's say I want to do it with Instagram. I could go and click there. You do need to go and confirm it's you by entering the PIN for your computer or the password for your computer. So I'm going to go and do that now. This is what you use to log in. And then you can go and see a username, the site, and the password. You can edit it if needed, and you can reveal it by pressing the I. And you can also go and delete it if you want to as well, and even copy them by using the copy button.